to know how to convert your Mac vCard file, then watch the complete video. Go to Google, and enter SysTools Mac vCard Converter. Click on the link shown on your system screen. Then click on the download button. Now install and run the software. This is an interface of the software. Click on the Add File button to import the VCF files panel open. And select the file or folder which user wants to import. Then click on the Open button. Here all the VCF files are shown in the same panel. Then click on the Next button. This window allows few options to convert the VCF files into the given options, which are CSV, PST, PDF, VCF. This option provides the vCard versions, such as vCard 2.1, vCard 3.0, and vCard 4.0, MSG, TXT, and HTML. Let's move with CSV format. To save the destination of the resultant file, click on the Change button. Change Destination Path panel open. Here user can create a new folder or select the folder to save the resultant file. Now click on the OK button. For the file, click on the Export button. Here data start exporting. Now, the alert comes up, export process completed successfully. Click on the OK button. Now the user is done with the exporting process. View Report button displayed, click on it. Here is the result.
And that's it. Hope you enjoy the video. Log on to the given product page for more details on purchasing the product. For any query, mail us at support@systoolsgroup.com. Thank you for watching.